Most traders think of India VIX as just another number flashing on their screen. They glance at it, maybe noticing its high and low and move on. But what if I told you India VIX is actually a powerful signal one can shape how you trade options and manage risk? Yes, India VIX is not about predicting market directions. It's about measuring volatility, the speed of market change. And that's why we have created this video to help you understand India VIX better and show you how to use it inside QuantMan to build smarter strategies. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. First, let's see what is India VIX. India VIX or Volatility Index measures the expected volatility in the Nifty 50 over the next 30 days. Think of it as the market pulse. It tells you how wild price movements might be, but not the direction of those movements. Here is how traders interpret it. High VIX means high expected volatility. This usually benefits option sellers because premium rises, making it more profitable to sell options. Low VIX means calmer markets. This generally favors option buyers because premiums are cheaper, making it cheap to buy calls or puts. To give you some benchmark, low VIX is usually below 20. Markets are calm. Moderate VIX is around 20 to 30, some uncertainty in the market. High VIX is above 30, where markets are highly unstable, signaling potential crashes or rare extreme events. These VIX levels help you to figure out whether the market is steady or volatile, which can guide your trades and risk management. Now let's explore how can we implement this in QuantMan. As usual, we start by selecting an instrument for our strategy. Then click on Add Indicator and select the current candle as the indicator. Next, name it Current VIX. Finally, navigate to the Field section where we will be mapping the candle to the India VIX index. Choose India VIX there and click the Save button. Now here is where the real power comes in. Once you add it, it tells your strategy when the market is calm and when it is turbulent. This means you can design rules that adapt to volatility automatically. Let me show you how you can use it. You can set an entry condition to trade only when the VIX is below 12. This ensures you are entering during the calmer periods. Not only the entry rules, you can set an exit condition to close your trade when the VIX crosses above 22. This protects you from sudden spikes in volatility that could erode your profits. Let me tell you with an example. If you sold a put option and the VIX starts rising sharply, it signals increasing volatility and the risk of sudden market moves or sharp correction. This can push option prices higher and increases losses. By using VIX-based exit rule, you can exit early and protect your positions before volatility spikes further. And you don't have to stop there. You can combine VIX with other indicators to build layered strategies. Imagine pairing VIX with super trend or moving averages. You could say enter a long trade only if super trend is bullish and VIX is below 15. Or you can say in this way too, exit a short trade if the super trend changes or VIX shoots above 25. Using India VIX in QuantMan adds a volatility lens to your strategy. It helps you trade with clear understanding of the market volatility rather than relying only on the price movements. This also helps you to avoid trades during extreme turbulence, capture opportunities when the market is stable, manage risk by exiting before volatility spikes. Build strategies that can benefit from both high and low volatility. India VIX isn't just number, it is a volatility signal you can act on. It helps you refine entries, manage risk, and adapt your strategies to changing market conditions. Remember, VIX isn't about direction, it's about volatility. High VIX typically benefits option sellers, while low VIX favors option buyers. And using inside QuantMan, it lets you build strategies that respond to volatility. Next time you trade, don't just look at the price chart. Add India VIX to your toolkit and let volatility guide your decisions. Hope you found this useful. Check out our other tutorials. Ready to evaluate your strategy? Head back to QuantMan and put India VIX to work in your trades.